Righto, welcome back. Can anyone guess what time it is? You got it. Time for another Tetrix top tip. This one we're going to be looking at the lockout mode. There's two lockout modes on this machine. There's the job lock and the machine lock. What this allows you to do is to pretty much put a code on the machine that prevents it from being used by other people, with people without the code essentially. So the destruction manual has quite a bit of information on this. If we can get a focus. Hopefully that comes out alright. So job lock is here. So in the expert menu for the machine, you've got, get a zoom in here. So job lock, push the button 3 times to choose your different digits, first, second, third digit. Hold the button in 3 times to choose whether you want the job locks on or off. Obviously if you don't have the correct code you can't turn it on or off. It's factory set to 000. So yeah, well, lots to see there, but let's just, same deal with the COD, the machine code. Anyway, what we'll do, we'll run through it. Be easier to show rather than explain. So currently the machine's asleep, so any button to get it fired up. At the moment the job lock light is currently off, which means we're free to change parameters. We can go from AC to DC, we can change our process mode, obviously change our pulsing, and what have you. 2T, 4T, doesn't apply at the moment because I've got a foot pedal attached, but yeah, we are free to interact with this machine in any way we see fit. So let's change the code and go from there. Machine's off, expert menu, push button in, turn on, get to end. That means if we were to hit the center button, push that in, for now we'd go back to the normal machine. What we're interested in is not the configuration menu, but job lock. Push that in once, it's going to ask us for the code. In this case it is 000. Hold the button in 3 seconds. The code is currently off. So what we can do, turn it on, push in 3 seconds, and we're back to the normal menu. If we go back to end, if we push this center button, once again we'll go back to the normal machine operating mode. And now you can see the key has illuminated, so that means this machine is essentially locked. So let's say we want to go from TIG welding to stick welding, nothing happens. We want to go to AC instead of DC, nothing happens. We want to change the pulsing parameters, nothing happens. Nothing happened there before because foot pedal's attached, but anyway, that gives you an idea. We are free to change amperage, but all the parameters behind the machine are locked. Likewise, we have different jobs to play with. So go to job 1, we're in job 0. Once again, that job is locked. There's nothing we can interact with it other than amperage. So obviously we could go through other jobs just to prove the point, but you'll see that it's pretty much essentially locked. Once again, job locked. So that can be a benefit, can be of hindrance, up to, I guess, the owner of the machine to make that call. Righto, so how do we turn it off? We power machine off, hold to go back into expert menu, turn on, find our way back to job lock, enter our code. In this case we've set it to 000. Hold in 3 seconds. It notices that that code is the correct code. I'll let go of the button now. It is on. Let's turn it off. Hold 3 seconds to save that parameter or that change. Let go, and there we are. Back to machine end. Back in job 7, the key light is off. We can change parameters, we can do whatever we want. And likewise we can do that through all jobs. So yeah, that's it in a nutshell. Tetrix top tip. That's all for today. Get back to my milk duds. Have a good one.